Every summer, it feels like the planet's trying to roast us alive. Record heat waves, melting glaciers, wildfires, and the same question always comes up. Is this really humans' fault, or is it just the sun doing its thing? Here's the deal. The Earth's average surface temperature has climbed about 1.2 degrees Celsius since the late 1800s. That might sound tiny, but on a planetary scale, it's massive. It's like giving a fever to an entire planet. Storms get stronger, oceans rise, and ecosystems shift. Now, yes, the sun does influence our climate. It goes through 11-year cycles of stronger and weaker activity. A few centuries ago, there was even a low sunspot phase called the Maunder Minimum, which matched a mini ice age in Europe. So it's fair to ask, could today's warming just be another solar swing? Short answer, no. Satellite data show that solar radiation has actually decreased slightly in recent decades, while global temperatures keep rising. Meanwhile, carbon dioxide levels, the main greenhouse gas, are at their highest point in at least 800,000 years. Here's what's happening. Greenhouse gases act like an invisible blanket around Earth. Without them, our planet would be a frozen rock at about -18 degrees Celsius. But add more CO2, methane, and water vapor, and that blanket gets thicker, trapping more heat. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have been burning fossil fuels nonstop, releasing billions of tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. The physics are simple. More greenhouse gases mean more trapped heat. That's not politics, that's thermodynamics. Still, it's not all doom. Solar energy, better batteries, smarter farming, and new carbon capture tech are already helping slow things down. The climate system is huge and complex, but human choices are part of it now. So no, the sun's not the main culprit this time. We are. But that also means we have the power to fix it. And that's baby science for you.